Well, let's look at this again, and what a lovely piece of improvisation. It's about the only way he could score from that position. Really clever goal.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got.
Took part in the very first Football League First Division match between two London clubs. That was back in 1907 in front of 65,000. They're about to meet here at the Emirates. I'm Derek Ray on the gantry, and Stuart Robson is next to me. Stuart, this ought to be special.
Well, it should be, Derek. It's a rivalry that's really grown in recent times, but one that has provided some excellent games. Let's hope it doesn't disappoint today.
Number 34, Granit Xhaka, and number 8, Martin Odegaard.
Cheers. Good luck.
Here are the starters for Arsenal. Aaron Ramsdale is the goalkeeper. Granit Xhaka plays alongside Martin Odegaard in central midfield. And the focal point in attack is Gabriel Jesus. And a look at the Chelsea starting 11. Edouard Mendy stands between the posts. Thiago Silva plays alongside Nathan Ake in central defence. And the story in attack is one of a strike partnership.
Thank you for attending the Emirates Stadium. Enjoy the match.
James. Mount. Conor Gallagher. Sterling. It's neat passing, confidence on the ball. Can they forge ahead? They do! And you've got to say, they're good value for the lead.
Well, as you can see here, the build-up is patient, it's precise and penetrative, which opens up the opposition. But you do have to ask questions of the keeper. Could he have done better here? I think so. You can't be beaten at your near post like that.
Has eyes for goal! Oh, he's missed the chance to extend their advantage.
Well, it was a decent effort, but not quite good enough to extend their lead.
Chalobah getting in there to take it away. And promising stuff from Arsenal. Could be troublesome. And throwing himself at the ball. Good vision. Can he get onto this? And there it is, a chance. Well, somehow the goalkeeper got to it.
Well, as you can see from the stats, they've absolutely dominated the game. There's been...
Oh, goodness gracious me! It's a special, special goal from miles out.
Well, as you can see, this catches everybody by surprise. Look where he is when he strikes it. That's a great goal.
Xhaka, and he's broken free. And this time it's in! Fabulous goal! And just look at the celebrations.
Well, as you can see, not much power, but great accuracy. He made that look so easy, didn't he?
Free kick to Chelsea. Well, the referee won't be quite as lenient next time. Got to tread more carefully. An exquisitely taken free kick, but no end product.
Well, he has such good technique. I expected him to score there, but it was still a great effort.
Kieran Tierney. Arsenal pushing forward with options available. And space for the cross. Well, clattered away. Attending to his defensive chores. And a fine tackle. And it's played into the centre. Well, the keeper very decisive. Corner to Arsenal. What can they do with this one?
Substitution for Chelsea.
Well, they've decided to make a change.
Number 23, Conor Gallagher. To be replaced by number 8, Mateo Kovacic.
Oh, good vision. And it's Gabriel Jesus. Oh, tremendous goal! Finessing it into the back of the net. Take a bow.
Well, let's look at this again, and what a lovely piece of improvisation. It's about the only way he could score from that position. Really clever goal.
A corner kick coming up here. Well, he thought he might have got away with it, but the referee rightly going back and brandishing the yellow card.
Substitution for Arsenal. Coming off the pitch, number 34.
There has been plenty of limbering up from substitutes, and now both sides will make personnel switches.
Substitution for Chelsea. Coming off the pitch, number 19, Mason Mount. Coming onto the
Over
pitch,
it comes.
number 5,
Well, nothing comes of it. El Neni. Didn't look brilliant in possession, El Neni. And the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. Well, that is how to run at defenders. He read the situation defensively and did his job. And plenty of scope to be creative in that wide position. But a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. Reece James. Jorginho. Werner. And an attempt best forgotten, I think.
Substitution for Arsenal. Coming off the
Substitution
pitch,
then. Let's see how it affects the match.
to be replaced by number 19, Nicholas Pepe.
Martin Ødegaard. Really good interception. And he's got the beating of his opponent. In by Sterling. Not really the ideal clearance. Well, a time for composure on the ball. El Neni. Now with Jesus. Tomiyasu. Well, they had a decent reading of that ball in. And taking it away. A really top-notch piece of defending. Sterling. Well, an easy one to cut out, really. Can he make it count? Able to clear the danger, at least for now. Corner kick played in. Well, he had the reading of that delivery, but couldn't find the target. Chilwell. Here's Kovacic. Ake. Jorginho. Well, the action is going to continue for a while yet. We will have 4 minutes of stoppage time. Really nice ball. Oh, a vital piece of last-ditch defending. Trevor Chalobah. And Chelsea have given us away. Well, that's how to break the spirit of the attacker. And the referee blows his whistle. Now we can say it officially. Arsenal have won this game. 3 points for them. What did you make of it all?
Well, Derek, they were better than their opponents in all aspects of the game. They defended well enough, they dominated midfield, and they created chances as well. It was a great performance.
And it was an eye-catching performance, you've got to say, from Gabriel Jesus. What did you make of what you saw from him?
Yeah, it was a very good performance. He scored one and hit the woodwork, but his general play was outstanding as well today. Very impressive.